Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Rahman Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make fan regulator connection in single phase connection. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Double pole MCB circuit breaker, socket, fan, top plug, fuse, speed regulator switch, 400 volt, 2.5 and 3.5 MDF capacitor. Phase connection input to double pole MCB, neutral connection input to double pole MCB. Phase connection output from double pole MCB to connect socket, neutral connection output from double pole MCB to connect socket. Phase connection from plug to fuse and speed regulator switch. Phase connection from switch to capacitor. Another connection from speed regulator to capacitor to connect with fan. Neutral connection from top plug to connect fan. Earthing connection to fan metallic body. Earthing connection from fan to socket earthing point. Earthing connection connected to ground. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.